Hello guys, welcome to FX channel. In today's video, I'm going to introduce you to fxDreema, a platform where you create a Forex robot without coding skill. So if you have ever thought of creating your Forex robot or you want to automate your favorite strategy, you are in the right place. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create fxDreema account and create your robot. Go to your browser and type fxDreema.com and then this is how fxDreema look like. So these are the other features fxDreema have. So here is where you enter your username if you have already have account and your password, and then you log in. But we don't have account, that's why we're going to create our new fxDreema account. So before we create account, let me explain some things here quickly. Here is the converter. If you have fxDreema, if you have MP4 robot that is doing well and you want to convert it to MT5, you come to this place, but it is not free. You have to pay for it. You convert your MQL4 robot to MQL5. So here, purchase. This is where you pay for fxDreema. This is where you pay for subscription. Yes, the free version is very limited. You use only 10 blocks if you want to download, and then maximum of 30 projects. So this is where you pay for subscription. For 1 month, it's 25 euro, and this payment for dollar is $28 plus. So once you choose the month, you see the amount you have to pay for that month, for the number of months you choose. So let's come back. The next thing is example. There are a lot of examples here. The first one here, buy when there is no trade. If you want to do something like this, you want the robot to buy when there is no trade and you don't know how to do it, just come here like this picture here, just this image, you click on it, and then there is an example of how to do something like that. You can just example, no trade, buy. You see, there are a lot of examples here. The next one is sell on each new candle. You see, if you don't know how to do it on fxDreema, you just click it, and then fxDreema has provided an example here already. You can do it. Very, very easy. So the next thing is documentation. Documentation here, things fxDreema has explained so many things here. You see all those things mentioned here. You see basics, expert, advisor, all of them. Let's click on one and see. Okay, let's use trailing stop. Here, trailing stop is explained and how you are going to use it. Here you see how to use trailing stop, how to connect the blocks. Yes, if you want trailing stop on your robot, this is how it works. You can come here and everything is well explained. So the next thing is forum. This is where you can interact with other fxDreema users. If you have any question, you can ask here. Here is question and answers. You see, you can ask your question here, and anybody who knows the answer will answer you. You see. You see, this person is asking question here, and this person just have answered him. So this is how fxDreema works. Very simple to use, and you can interact with people, ask questions whenever you are confused of anything. So now, at this time, we're going to create an account. But before we create an account, let me show you something here. Come to builder. Even without creating an account, you can create a robot here. Just come to this one here, and then you see this is how you can create your robot here. This is example here, another example here. You can edit it or delete it and create your own new robot. So fxDreema is a powerful tool that you can use to create a Forex robot without coding. So let's create an account here. If you already have an account, you can log in there with your details and log and use the fxDreema, but we don't have. So let's create an account. Click on register. Then here you put your username, email address, and the password. So I'll put my details and I'll be right back. So we have a brand new fxDreema account. So just come to builder, and this is where we are going to create our robot. So let's create a simple robot here. So you come here and click on new project. So here, do you want the robot to be MT4 or MT5? Let's try MT5. So you have to name your robot. Let's name it First EA. Yes. But before we create our robot, let's go to our chart and define our strategy, what we want the robot to do in the market. So this is what we want the robot to do. You see, the red indicator here is simple moving average 10, and the blue one is simple moving average 50. So you can see as the simple moving average 10 crosses above the simple moving average 50, it was a buy trade. And then let's scroll back a little, and then here the simple moving average 10 crossed below simple moving average 50, and it was a sell trade. Let's look for another example. So you can also see it here clearing as simple moving average 10 cross above simple moving average 50, and is a buy trade here also. Let's go back a little and you see it here. The same thing here again. Simple moving average 10 cross below simple moving average 50, and it's a sell trade. So we are going to tell the robot that whenever simple moving average 10 crosses above simple moving average 50, is a buy trade, and whenever simple moving average 10 crosses below simple moving average 50, is a sell trade. So let's go back to our fxDreema and create our robot. So we are back to fxDreema. No position. We want the robot to pick a trade only when there is no trade. So you come to condition block and pick a block here. But for now, let's add this once per bar. The robot should not pick more than one trade in a bar, in one bar. Okay. So condition block. Now this is the condition for the buy trade. You double click on the block and open it. So we see simple moving average 10. Simple moving average 10, guys. And pick this. When it crosses above, when simple moving average 10 crosses above simple moving average 50, so we update it. We connect this block like this, and then we come here and connect our buy block. The same thing here for the sell condition. This time we are going to say when SMA 10 crosses below, when it crosses below SMA 50, so we update it, and then we connect the block. This for sell condition. Set our take profit and stop loss. So this is our stop loss. So let's say our stop loss is 20 pips, and our take profit, let's say 40 pips. So that's it. So you can tick this box if you want to change it later. You can tick this block. We do the same thing here. Stop loss 20 pips and then 40 pips for the take profit. You can take this block here. That's it. Then you update it. So we have created a robot. So here you can download it. This executioner file. Here is MQL 5. So let's download the executioner file and then we backtest it. We have downloaded it. Yes, the first year. So let's go to our download folder and then we backtest it. Here is our robot here, first year. Going to right click on it and then we copy it. We go to our chart and then we backtest it. Back to our chart again. Here you go to file after copying the robot. File, open data folder, come to MQL5, export and files, and then you right click and paste it here, or you just simply Ctrl V. And then you come out, you close your empty file and open it again, or simply come to Expert Advisor and refresh it, and then you see the robot here, first year. So now we are going to backtest it. So let's go to View, Strategy Tester. Come to Setting. Choose the robot here. Where's the robot? First year. Double click on it. And then let's choose Euro USD. So our robot is backtesting. See? Still interpret a new trade here. So buy trade. So let's continue.